We already have a video on how to reduce render times in Cycles. Now it's Eevee's time. If you haven't seen the other video yet, I highly recommend it. Some tips from that video will make it here as well. Let's start with them, and if you need more details on them, check out the video right here. 1. Update Blender. Newer versions have new features and are more optimized. 2. Reduce the resolution. You might not need to render at 4K. 3. Enable denoiser. For Eevee, just add the denoise node in the Compositor tab and connect it as such. 4. Reduce poly-heavy modifiers like subdivisions. Now for the Eevee specific tips. This base image has default settings, plus ambient occlusion, bloom, and screen space reflections, as well as denoiser on. This is usually the default settings people turn on. This gives us a render with 11.88 seconds. That's already pretty good compared to Cycles base render. This is why I say in that video that you might be able to get away using Eevee only. Time to optimize this masterpiece. Reducing the resolution to 50% from 1080p takes too much from the image in this case, and only saves about 2 seconds. Your luck here may vary depending on your scene and starting resolution. This is to show that you shouldn't just add all of these tips on top of each other and expect it to work. You'll need to experiment with your specific scene. So I'll keep it at 100% and enable the Simplify option to reduce some of the poly-heavy modifiers. Eevee's Simplify does not have a texture limit, but we can limit particles and shadow resolution. The rug in this scene has hair particles to give it a fuzzy look. This render has max child particles and max shadow resolution at 0.5. It took 7.17 seconds. The next thing I'll do is reduce the samples. The default is 64. Let's try at 20 with the settings we had before. We now have our render time at an incredible 4.87 seconds. For curiosity's sake, this is the render at one sample. It took 3.96 seconds, but the quality has degraded too much for my taste. This brings us to our final image with denoiser on, 20 samples. Simplify at 0.5 for both particles and shadows to an awesome average render time of 5 seconds, making this a 57% decrease in render time. That's it. Share with us in the comments down below or at our Discord how much you were able to reduce your render times with these tips. If you want to be around like-minded people, join our Discord down below. There is also the link for the character you saw on the video and many other high-quality 3D libraries. The link is right next to the like and subscribe button. This is Sam from 3D here. I'll see you next time. Bye.